It's like 5:30 a.m. now. बस अभी उठा alarm से. So we're gonna go get ready. I have to just change and pack my bag. So let's go do that. हम थोड़ी देर पहले ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए रुक गए थे और अभी उतने टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश चालू हुई, तो होपफुली जब तक हम पहुँचते विच इज़ अबाउट 1.5 hours मोर पहुँचते जब तक लोग पहुँचते क्या पहुँचेगा रे तू? So we stopped here to take a few shots from the drone. Just gonna put that in the air right now. So right now the roads are super foggy and इसको भी barely दिखाई दे रहा वो कहाँ चला रहा है।
मैं पहले अपना वीडियो नहीं बना रहा था, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
हाँ
तो मतलब लाइक ऐसे कैमरा।
So हम बहुत ज़्यादा आराम से जा रहे हैं
अभी क्लियर आउट हो गया, जैसे ही कुछ ने बोला कैमरा पूरा क्लियर हो गया।
क्लियर आउट हो गया पूरा। तो we reach here finally. बस गाड़ी पार्क करके निकल रहे हैं। So मैंने just स्टोरी डाला ऐसा पूरा गिम्बल सेटअप करके कैमरा के साथ, और अभी इतनी तेज़ से बारिश होने लग गई है कि सब पूरा अंदर बैग में डालना पड़ा and I'm forced to use my phone. Well, at least I have a phone that's waterproof. Hopefully the rain stops soon so we can take out the drone and fly it all around here. But until then, let's start the adventure. So we've been walking for about 45 minutes now. It finally stopped raining, so I was able to take out my camera, which is good. Otherwise, I don't really like using my phone a lot. So we've been crossing such terrain for about 1.5 hours now, and we're just about there. We should be reaching close to the waterfall in a few minutes. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm done, like completely exhausted. The trek up was not easy. मैंने देखा कुछ वीडियोस आने से पहले, they're like, oh, it's just a bit of a climb up. भाई बहुत climb up है. So yeah, but anything for content. I don't even have the strength to hold my camera at the moment. So I gave it off to Saurabh. And now we're just about reached. So if I'm quiet enough, I think you can hear the waterfall. Yeah, that's it. So we're almost there, just a few more meters ahead and we should reach. Ladies and gentlemen, it is the time we have been waiting for. After trekking for 2 hours, we finally reached the waterfall. Let me show you what it looks like. I am dead, like pretty much zero energy, but we reached successfully. I'm just gonna lie down for a bit. I'm fully exhausted, but we're gonna make it worth it.
I am in my safe zone.
Well, I tried to go in the water and get some photos, but there were just too many people and I kind of fell once, so I stopped trying. But anyways, the place is pretty good, got a few good shots, and it's getting a bit late, so we're gonna go start the journey back. As you saw before, it's a long journey back home, so let's go get started with that journey.